Is coconut oil good for you? I was asked this question when I was giving a presentation to about 5,000 Fijians. They asked me, is coconut oil good for you? Because they had been told that it was bad. And so I asked them a question. Were your ancestors healthy? There was a silence. And then these 5,000 Fijians began to laugh because they were very healthy. When Captain Cook landed on those South Pacific Islands, he was confronted with the most magnificent specimens of humanity he had ever seen. The men were tall, strong, agile. They had perfect teeth. The women were very beautiful. They had beautiful, long, silky hair. In some islands it was a little shorter. He had a little bit of trouble with his men. The women were so beautiful. And what did they eat every meal? Coconut oil. They have coconut every meal.
Coconut oil, an edible oil derived from the flesh or kernel of mature coconuts, has long been a staple in cooking, baking, and even cosmetics and healthcare. Extracted from the iconic coconut tree, this versatile oil is known for its rich flavor and numerous applications. In recent years, coconut oil has gained immense popularity as a superfood, celebrated for its wide-ranging health benefits. Advocates of this tropical oil claim it can enhance brain function, improve skin health, and much more. Among the many experts endorsing its benefits is Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a respected naturopath and health educator. In today's video, we'll uncover the remarkable health benefits of coconut oil, as explained by Dr. Barbara O'Neill, and share tips on how you can incorporate it into your daily routine.
Recently, I was talking to a couple. The lady was Samoan, her husband was Hawaiian. They were in their mid-40s, and they said, yes, that's what we grew up. That we grew up with coconut in every single meal. The BHSC method uses Bible, history, science, and common sense. Is coconut oil in the Bible? No, it is not, but then again, the Bible was not written in the South Pacific Islands. The Bible talks about olive oil because where the Bible was written, that was the oil of use at the time. The coconut has been used for centuries.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that our ancestors were stronger and healthier, thanks in part to their regular consumption of coconut oil. This natural oil was a dietary cornerstone, packed with nutrients that supported their physical strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Particularly in tropical regions, coconut oil was revered not only for its versatility, but also for its ability to promote vitality and resilience. Dr. O'Neill explains that societies incorporating coconut oil into their daily meals have historically experienced lower rates of chronic illnesses, such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. This observation points to the vital role this natural product can play in fostering long-term health and preventing modern lifestyle diseases. The secret to coconut oil's benefits lies in its impressive nutritional profile. Rich in medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, it boasts powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Unlike long-chain fats, these medium-chain fatty acids are easily digested and rapidly converted into energy, making them ideal for boosting metabolic health, sustaining energy levels, and supporting a strong immune system. According to Dr. O'Neill, this unique combination of properties made coconut oil a key factor in the vitality and longevity of our ancestors.
And I'm very thankful for Dr. Bruce Fife, who has written many books on the coconut oil. In fact, I can't tell you how many, but I think it might be up to 6 or 7, because coconut oil is high in medium-chain fatty acids, the liver breaks it down to ketones. And he shows that ketones are neurohealers, neuroprotectors. It is a remarkable oil. I believe Dr. Bruce Fife should be receiving a Nobel Prize for his books on the coconut oil, because he shows the science behind what history has already shown us, that the South Pacific Islanders endured magnificent health.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill has often highlighted the groundbreaking work of Dr. Bruce F., a leading authority on the health benefits of coconut oil. Known as Dr. Coconut, Dr. Bruce F. has extensively explored how coconut oil can enhance brain function, even suggesting its potential to prevent or reverse the effects of Alzheimer's disease. His research reveals that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil are converted into ketones, which serve as an alternative fuel source for the brain. This is particularly significant for individuals with neurodegenerative conditions, where the brain struggles to utilize glucose efficiently. Ketones provide a steady energy source, helping to stabilize neurons and combat cognitive decline. Inspired by this research, health experts like Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommend coconut oil as a dietary supplement for individuals suffering from Alzheimer's or other cognitive impairments. This natural and easily accessible product holds promise as a simple way to support brain health and slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases.
Until the white man came with his 5 lethal whites. What are the 5 lethal whites? White rice, white flour and its products, white sugar, white salt, and the white dairy milk. It is those 5 lethal whites that are causing the problems that we see in the South Pacific Islands today. A lot of the people are obese. It's not because of the coconut oil, it's because they've stopped the coconut oil. It's because those white products gives too much glucose into the body and it has to be stored as fat. That's why they are big. And the pancreases are getting worn out. There was no diabetes, no heart disease on the island until white man came.
While coconut oil offers numerous health benefits, Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that true wellness also requires eliminating harmful foods from the diet, particularly what she calls the 5 lethal whites. These include white rice, white bread, white flour and its products, white sugar, and white dairy milk. According to Dr. O'Neill, these heavily processed foods are significant contributors to modern health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The problem with these foods lies in their production process, which strips away natural nutrients, leaving behind calorie-dense, nutrient-poor products. For example, white sugar causes blood sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance and increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Similarly, refined grains like white bread and white rice lack essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to weight gain and digestive problems. Dr. O'Neill advocates replacing these lethal whites with healthier alternatives such as whole grains, natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and unprocessed dairy. By making these simple swaps, people can enhance their nutrition, improve overall health, and significantly lower their risk of chronic diseases.
They listened to the white man because he brought in technology, he brought in many reforms. Some of those islanders were cannibals. They showed them what a wonderful thing it is to serve God and what freedom it is to be freed from these evil practices. So they trusted the white man, but unfortunately they could have shown the white man how to eat. When I say unfortunately, it's because they believe the white man and it was good and right that they believe him in many ways, but not regarding his diet. So the coconut oil is a remarkable oil.
While Dr. Barbara O'Neill and many others champion the health benefits of coconut oil, it's important to recognize that not all health experts agree. Some argue that the high saturated fat content in coconut oil may outweigh its advantages, especially for individuals at risk of heart disease. However, it's crucial to note that the saturated fats in coconut oil, primarily medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are different from those found in animal products like butter and meat. These fats are more easily metabolized by the body and may offer unique benefits that set coconut oil apart. Coconut oil is renowned for more than just its potential cardiovascular benefits. It's a versatile product that supports skin and hair health, leaving skin radiant and hair strong and shiny. Additionally, it aids in weight management by boosting metabolism, enhances energy levels, and may even support brain function due to its ketone-producing properties. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that moderation and balance are key when incorporating coconut oil into your diet. Like any dietary fat, coconut oil should be consumed as part of a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. She recommends pairing it with other sources of healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados, to ensure your body receives a full spectrum of essential nutrients. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more health insights, tips, and updates to help you live your healthiest life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth.